All right, so what we have is we have mineral oil and we have water, and they're immiscible, non-polar, polar. The curious is as the surface is acting like a mirror. So there's when you take physics, maybe you'll learn some of the optics involved with that. It's a really neat phenomena. Okay, so what I'm gonna put the sodium in the graduated cylinder, and I'm just gonna dump it in, and we'll watch what happens. There goes the sodium. This is called the swimming sodium or something like that. A couple things you should be like asking yourself, like what? Obviously, there's a reaction going on. There's two ways of knowing that. There's a gas being produced, and this color change. So why is the water turning this magenta color? You should know that by now. That's right, phenolphthalein, right? What's the reaction? Sodium's reacting with the water. So think about sodium plus H2O. It's a single replacement reaction. You get sodium hydroxide, and the gas that's produced is hydrogen. So, okay, let's just let that go. So think about, why does the sodium go up? Why is it going down through the mineral oil? It's not reacting with the mineral oil. I wish that would pop up a little bit more. No, it keeps going for a while. Come on. It's stuck to the side. There it goes.
There we go.
It's a little better. So think about what's going in here. It's turning basic, so what ion makes things basic? Okay, there's another ion that's going in here. Think about the intermolecular forces that occur between water and that ion, those ions. Is there hydrogen dissolving in this mineral oil? Not a lot, but possibly.
There was a one.
What produces the upward force to let that sodium go up? There's a name for that. It starts with a B, a buoyant force, right? So now, see that? It must be more dense than the sodium must be more dense than the mineral oil. But it looks like it's less dense than the water. Otherwise, it would just go into the water, and that would cause a pretty good explosion, I think. Sodium swimming in mineral oil. A lot of things going on here to think about. Lot to think about. You know, you could do a stoic problem, given the mass of the sodium, what volume of hydrogen would be produced. I didn't mass it, no. You could assume that the water is in excess. You could think about how much water, how many molecules of water would react. There are so many things you can do. There's so many questions to ask about this. It's one of my favorite little demonstrations. All right.
Got it?
Okay.